එකමුගේ කුරින් බිංගාරු මටක අබාවා ખાસ රස්මියාතු තිබෙෆුනා හම වගතුන් කෙනස්තින් මටක අදමෝලිස් ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ෆයිනෑන්ස් සෙන්ටර් की राज्य का कायम कुरबे फुरतम बैन लगवामी माली मरकज़ मी राज्य के मिनिमम आदि माली निज़ाम कायम कुर मटका कायम कुरबे मिफदा बैन लगवामी माली मरकज़ अदमी मरकज़ कायम कुर महमजी फामनी हुरुमाले के तिम्मा नफेस नोता देवा नफेस गुड़फावा सरहदुगा अदे मी रस्मियात शरफ़े को देवानी रईसुल जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मुइज़ राज्य के फुतमा बैन लगवामी माली मरकज़ कायम कुर्म के बस रेवनी सैकुफ़ा अदमी मशहूर कुरिया में केंदनी MBS ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट कुलिके अदे कुंफुन्याय को वनी रेगा बस में का सैकुफ़ा में तुम्हें कुरिया में दने एकम के बिंकायरम के रस्मियात कुरिया में से शहर कुरिया में रस्मियात और शरफ़े को देवानी राज्य के इज़्ज़त रईसुल जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मुइज़ मी रस्मियात का MBS ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट के इस वेरी इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाएगा नवा अदे मिगतुम मी रस्मियात का बिंगा अड़वादे वाणी राज्य दिवे सरकार के फरातो माली कंकमा तरक्की के रेवंतरिकमा बे वजीर मूसा जमीर आदि MBS ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट के फरातों से कुरबानी एकुम्फुनी के रईस कंफा हक़ुल्लबे मिगतुम मात बिंगा अलम रस्मियात का कुंफुनी का फरातो बिंगा अड़वा देवनी नहिद बिन ईद अल सानी अदे मी रस्मियात का MBS इंटरनेट ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट के फरातुम वाहफुर दखवानी में से कुंफुनी के रईस अदे दिवे सरकार के फरातुम मी रस्मियात का वाहफुर दखवानी माली वजीर के नायब अहमद साइद मुस्तफ़ा अदे राज्य के माली निज़ाम की बैन लगवामी मिंगन तकफ़े अदि हरदना निज़ाम कायम कुरमा सरकारों के मुहिम सियासत में बनी खंडा वाफा अमिगतुम राज्य के माली निज़ाम कुरियर व तरक्की कुरमा बेनुवा मुहिम मसके सरकार में हान बिकंदनी कुरिया केंदमु एक तरीका बैन लगवामी वतुं अन्नजिहे इन्वेस्टमेंट तक नो मटका बेनुवा कानूनी ओनेगण तब से खलवाल मसके फाहा कोलबे अदे बैन लगवामी माली मरकज़ कायम कुन के मी मशरूआ की $80 बिलियन के मशरूए अदे हैं कम मी राज्य के माली निज़ाम के कुरबे वरबिया इन्वेस्टमेंट वरबिया मशरूए मी राज्य के माली निज़ाम इंगिदाबी बोडो बदले के नुआने मशरूए कम फाहा कोलबे अदे मी मशरू निम्मो मकान अड़वा फामी मनी देहास तिरिसवन आहल के नियला हैं कम मी दायरा राज्य के मिहातना काम कुरबे MB मशरू राज्य के माली निज़ाम बोडो बदले के नुआ कुरियन तक नुआने मशरू कम फाहा कोलबे अदे रईसुल जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मुइज़ मिहार मिमनी मी रस्मियात बढ़ाए कम फा और तबे फुना हमें मिहाय साबो मी रस्मियात बागुतुन गेनस्तेन
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Muiz, President of the Republic of Maldives, Their Highnesses, Excellencies, Honourable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I am Alia Rafiaullah and it is my great honour to continue serving as your Master of Ceremony for this historic occasion. We gather here today to mark a defining milestone, the official groundbreaking of the Maldives International Financial Centre, MIFC, a visionary initiative set to reshape the financial future of the Republic of the Maldives. We are deeply honoured by the presence of His Highness Sheikh Nayef bin Eid Al Thani, President of MBS Global Investments, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Rashid Al Mualla, Deputy Ruler of Al Quwain, His Highness Prince Fahd Saud Al Sahlan of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, His Excellency Musa Zamir, Minister of Finance and Planning, distinguished ministers and all esteemed guests joining us this morning. On behalf of the organisers, we extend our deepest appreciation for your presence at this momentous occasion. The ceremony began with the recitation of the Holy Quran. The recitation was beautifully delivered by Zara Muhammad, a grade 10 student from Ahmadiyya International School. We now proceed to the groundbreaking ceremony of the Maldives International Financial Centre, MIFC. I would like to invite His Excellency Musa Zamir, Minister of Finance and Planning, and His Highness Sheikh Nayef bin Eid Al Thani, President of MBS Global Investments, to jointly unveil the commemorative plaque marking this significant milestone. Thank you, His Excellency Musa Zamir, Minister of Finance and Planning, and His Highness Sheikh Nayef bin Eid Al Thani, President of MBS Global Investments. It is now my honour to invite His Highness Sheikh Nayef bin Eid Al Thani, the President of MBS Global Investments, to deliver his address.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. فخامة رئيس جمهورية المالديف، أصحاب المعالي الوزراء، أصحاب السعادة، الضيوف الكرام، السيدات والسادة، نجتمع اليوم ليس فقط لندشن مشروعا، بل لنعلن انطلاقة رؤية جديدة للمالديف، رؤية تقوم على الطموح والشراكة والتقدم بالنيابة عن شركة MBS العالمية للاستثمارات، يشرفني أن أكون بينكم اليوم ونحن ننطلق في مركز جزر المالديف المالي الدولي مشروع سيعيد رسم الأفق الاقتصادي ويضع معياراً جديداً للنمو المستدام على المستوى العالم. هذا ليس مجرد مشروع بناء، بل هو التزام بمستقبل يزدهر فيه التمويل والابتكار والفرص جنباً إلى جنب مع الجمال الطبيعي والإرث الذي تتميز به المالديف، كما أنه يمثل تحولاً واضحاً من الاعتماد على قطاع واحد إلى اقتصاد متنوع ومستقبلي يفتح الأبواب أمام صناعات جديدة ومواهب جديدة وأفكار جديدة. المركز المالي يقدم نموذجاً جديداً، سياحة مالية، مستقبل يأتي فيه الزوار ليس فقط للاستمتاع بجمال المالديف، بل الاستثمار والإبداع والتعاون، حيث لرواد الأعمال والمستثمرين والمحترفين العالميين أن يعيشوا ويعملوا ويبنوا في مكان يجمع بين السكينة الطبيعية والفرص المتقدمة. هنا يلتقي الهدف بالمكان وتتمازج أساليب الحياة بالإرث. نفخر بأن نكون داعمين لهذا التحول، وهذه المنصة هي للنمو الشامل طويل الأمد، يعمل بالطاقة النظيفة ومصمم من أجل الإنسان، ويسترشد بإطلال تنظيمي يحتضن الابتكار ويحافظ على الثقة والشفافية. إلى فخامة الرئيس نتقدم أسمى معاني الشكر والتقدير على قيادتكم وإيمانكم بهذه الرؤية، وعلى حضوركم اليوم، وإلى شركائنا في حكومة المالديف. شكرا لثقتكم والتزامكم بمستقبل مشترك. وإلى المجتمع الدولي، هذه دعوتكم للاستثمار بما هو أعمق من الأسواق والمشاركة بما هو أكثر من النمو، أن تكون جزءا من بناء مستقبل طموح مبدئي ومتجذر بعمق في الأرض. إن هذه الخطوة ليست فقط بداية لمركز مالي، بل هي بداية لإرث جديد، ونحن فخورون بأن نساهم في تشكيله معكم. شكرا لكم جميعا.
Thank you, His Highness Sheikh Naif bin Eid Al Thani. I will now provide a translation. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Maldives, distinguished ministers, excellencies, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today we gather not only to break ground, but to mark the beginning of a new vision for the Maldives, one rooted in ambition, partnership and progress. On behalf of MBS Global Investments, it is a profound honor to stand beside you as we launch the Maldives International Financial Center, MIFC, a development that will redefine the economic horizon of this nation and offer a new standard for sustainable global growth. This is more than a construction project. It is a commitment to a future where finance, innovation, and opportunity thrive alongside the natural beauty and heritage the Maldives is known for. MIFC marks a clear shift from dependence on a single sector to a diverse, forward-thinking economy that opens the door to new industries, new talent, and new ideas. But this is not just economic diversification, it is a reimagining of tourism itself. MIFC introduces a new model, finance tourism, a future where visitors come not only to enjoy the Maldives' beauty, but to invest, create, and collaborate, where entrepreneurs, investors, and global professionals can live, work, and build in a place that offers both natural serenity and cutting-edge opportunity. This is where purpose meets place, where lifestyle and legacy can exist side by side. At MBS, we are proud to support this transformation. MIFC is a platform for long-term inclusive growth powered by clean energy, designed for people, and guided by a regulatory framework that embraces innovation while upholding trust and transparency. To His Excellency the President, we offer our sincerest thanks for your leadership, your belief in this vision, and your presence here today. To our partners in the government of the Republic of Maldives, we thank you for your trust and your commitment to a shared future. And to the global community, this is your invitation to invest in more than markets, to engage in more than growth, to be part of building a future that is ambitious, principled, and deeply rooted in place. This groundbreaking is not only the beginning of a financial centre, it is the beginning of a new legacy, one we are honoured to help shape together. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Nadeem Hussain, Group CEO of MBS Global Investments, to deliver his remarks.
Assalamu alaikum. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Maldives, distinguished ministers, Excellencies, esteemed partners, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to this landmark occasion, the groundbreaking ceremony of the Maldives International Financial Centre. Today, we symbolically turn the first stone toward a bold vision, a vision of transformation, resilience, and economic opportunity. MIFC is more than the physical community or commercial entities and activities it will accommodate. It is a symbol of progress, a gateway connecting the Maldives to the global financial stage. It represents the next evolution of financial centre and urban living. The iconic architecture captures the beauty of the marine life that marks out the Maldives as a leading global tourist destination. But more than that, it encapsulates the ambition to thrive in a new digital era. As we break ground, we also break new ground in ambition. This centre and the ecosystem it will drive and support will serve as a destination for international investment, innovation, and inclusive growth. It will create new pathways for the country's youth, new partnerships for the region, and a new diversified prosperity for the country. I would like to congratulate the President and thank the President and his ministry for their vision, and more importantly, their bold and tangible commitment to a new future. As partners, we value the trust placed in us, and together with our partners, we are committed to making this centre into a beacon of opportunity, not just for today, but for generations to come. Today, let us start to build not just a financial hub, but a legacy of progress for the Maldives. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nadeem. To conclude this segment, I now invite Mr. Ahmed Said Mustafa, Deputy Minister of Finance and Planning, to offer a word of thanks.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. The President of the Republic of Maldives, Excellency Dr. Mohammed Moise, Minister of Finance, His Excellency Musa Zamir, the Attorney General, His Excellency Mr. Sham, and also most importantly, His Highness Sheikh Naif bin Eid Al Thani of MBS Global Investment, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Rashad Al Mualla, Deputy Ruler of Al Quwain of the United Arab Emirates. And finally, also the chairman of MBS Global Investment, Mr. Marwan Al-Hajri, all ministers, dignitaries, and delegates, good morning, and assalamu alaikum. Eons ago, the Maldives were fisherfolk, but we believed in a true reality that we faced every day. We believed in the spirit of resilience and transformation. 50 years ago, the Maldives welcomed our nation to the global tourism industry. 50 years later today, we are opening our gates to an economic transformation. Last year, the Maldivian economy grew by 5.1%. This year, it is projected to grow 6.4% by the end of this year. We hope that with the implementation of the Maldives International Financial Center, that our economy will be transformed and will be ready for the new AI age, and we shall welcome investors for a new global age. Special thanks to His Excellency Dr. Mohammed Muiz, our President, for his vision in transforming the Maldives to a high-income economy by 2040. This vision and dedication has delivered us today. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you also to our Minister, Mr. Musa Zamir, for spearheading this process with dedication and commitment and leading our teams to bring about this investment to the Maldives. And particular thanks to the Attorney General and his team for guiding us in this process and concluding this in this historic occasion. And especially thanks to Sheikh Naif bin Al-Thani for your support at this particular moment in time. When the government attained power at the end of 2023, the Maldives faced global headlines that were striking and concerning. 1.5 years later today, we are able to send a signal to the world. Indeed, there have been global headlines, largely positive. Today, there is investor confidence in the country. It is truly your commitment to this initiative that has aided us with the auspicious occasion that we are celebrating today. Thank you for your vote of trust in the Maldives, and we assure you that the Ministry of Finance and Planning and the government of the Maldives shall be committed to delivering this project, and indeed delivering this project in the eyes of the global investor in this third decade of this century. I should also thank the Central Bank Governor, His Excellency Munawar, for his strong commitment and openness in actually supporting the Ministry of Finance and the government to opening up our financial sector to the new age. Thank you, Excellency. Last night, I'm certain that all of us were truly in awe of the great design of Mr. Giovanni Ronaldo. I personally felt that this project, once implemented, would really put Maldives in the eyes of the next generation. Thank you, Mr. Giovanni. We believe that your vision, once implemented, will serve the global brands in the Maldives with a reason to stay for the next half century. And this is indeed the reason why the government is seeking investors and attaining these types of investments, because we want to drive growth over the next half century. I conclude with thanks to all involved, both on the government of the Maldives side and also on the side of the MBS Global Investment team. And I end by seeking Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessings so that we may make a resounding success of this truly transformative and exciting endeavor. Walhamdulillah, wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed Said.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا